Grandma here again. Hi, Layla. Hi, Levi. Hi, Ava and Kyle and Carter and Hassan and Connor, Emma, Lakeisha, and Brian. Hey, nice to have you guys joining me. So let's get started with today's book. The title of today's book is Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. And it's by Bob Barner. Bugs, 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 again is the title. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I want to see bugs. Can you see any bugs in this picture? I can see quite a few. Let's look and see. Here's one here. There's a ladybug. Here's an ant and a grasshopper and another ladybug. And there may be more. Oh, I see a leg here. There may be more, but that's all that Grandma sees right now. So let's go next. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Have you seen butterflies? What colors were the butterflies that you saw? I saw one yesterday that was yellow and black. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. Friendly daddy longlegs that never bite. Grasshoppers hop, hop, hopping out of sight. A fuzzy caterpillar with teeny tiny feet. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Have you ever seen a long line of ants? Layla and Levi, ask your mommy what she used to do for the ants. Roly-poly bugs that curl up when I touch. Have you ever seen the roly-poly bugs? You touch them and they roll into a little ball like this. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I can see buggy bugs all around me. Wow, look at all the bugs in this picture. And look at the feet right here. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see 10 bugs. Maybe there are more, but that's what I see right now. Actual bug sizes. So if you were looking at the book, this would be the actual sizes of the bugs. And then there's a chart at the end, and it's called the Bugometer. And it shows you a butterfly in the chart. And it says, can it fly? Can a butterfly fly? Yes. Can a ladybug fly? Yes. Can a daddy longlegs fly? No. Can a grasshopper fly? Yes. How about a caterpillar? Can a caterpillar fly? No. How about a bee? Can a bee fly? Shout it out. Let me know. Can a bee fly? I hear you. Yes. Can an ant fly? Shout it. No. How about a roly-poly bug? No. Well, that's the end of the story. Thanks so much for joining me. Parents, make sure you check out my other video that I have that shows you a teaching project that you can use for your kids with this book. So again, thanks for joining me. Bye, kids. Bye. See you again next time.